In Vedic astrology, each weekday is governed by a specific planet, influencing the energies of that day. Budhvar, Wednesday, is ruled by Budh Graha, planet Mercury, the planet of intelligence, communication, commerce, and financial transactions. This makes it an auspicious day for money-related activities, especially taking loans, investments, and business dealings. However, there is a traditional belief that while taking a loan on Budhvar is favorable, giving a loan on this day may not be advisable. In this video, we will explore the astrological and practical reasons behind these beliefs. Moreover, Budh Graha, planet Mercury, is considered the prince among the planetary cabinet in Vedic astrology, symbolizing youthfulness, agility, adaptability, and a sharp intellect. These traits make Wednesday highly potent for dynamic and analytical activities, especially those involving calculations, profit margins, and commercial foresight. Mercury, Budh Graha, is the planet of business and trade, and it governs buying, selling, negotiations, and contracts. It is also deeply connected to communication and intelligence, both of which are essential for financial decision-making. Mercury is associated with short-term gains and rules quick transactions, making it ideal for loans and investments. Since Wednesday is Mercury's day, its energies are strongest, enhancing financial success if activities are aligned properly. Additionally, Budh Graha is considered a Karak, significator of accountancy, mathematics, and stock markets in classical texts like Brihad Parashar, Hora Shastra, thus reinforcing its authority over financial precision and transactional clarity. Why taking a loan on Wednesday is auspicious? Taking a loan on Wednesday is considered favorable due to various astrological reasons. Budh Graha, Mercury, is a fast-moving planet, symbolizing quick returns. Taking a loan on Wednesday can mean faster repayment and financial growth. It is associated with calculative intelligence, helping borrowers make wise financial decisions. Planet Mercury's influence ensures clear communication with lenders, reducing misunderstandings. From a practical standpoint, since Mercury governs contracts, signing loan agreements on Wednesday ensures favorable terms. It is believed that loans taken on Wednesday are more likely to be utilized productively, leading to wealth generation. Further strengthening this belief is the fact that Budh Graha, planet Mercury, when placed well in one's birth chart, especially in signs like Virgo or Gemini, can bless individuals with shrewd financial acumen and swift decision-making skills. This makes Wednesday an opportune time to engage in activities that require mental agility and fiscal judgment. Why giving a loan on Wednesday is not recommended? Giving a loan on Wednesday is traditionally discouraged due to planet Mercury's dual nature, which can lead to unpredictability. Borrowers may delay repayment or misuse funds. Since Mercury rules short-term gains, long-term loans, like those given on Wednesday, may not yield stable returns. There is a belief that money given as a loan on Wednesday may not return smoothly, as Mercury's energy favors quick exchanges rather than long-term commitments. Practically, lenders may face delays in recovery due to Mercury's fluctuating nature. Traditional wisdom suggests that wealth should not flow out on a day ruled by Mercury, as it governs wealth accumulation rather than expenditure. Moreover, texts like Hora Sar and Jatak Parijat mention that planet Mercury's energy, while swift and adaptable, may lack persistence, when it comes to sustaining long-term obligations, making it inauspicious for initiating lending or long-term financial commitments. Such transactions are better suited to days ruled by more stable planets like Guru Graha and Shani Graha. Now let's see best financial activities to do on Wednesday. Budhwar or Wednesday is ideal for taking loans or applying for credit, especially for business, education, or investments. Starting a new business or signing financial agreements is favored, as are stock market investments, trading, or short-term financial deals. Repaying old debts on this day is said to attract positive financial flow. In addition, those engaged in professions ruled by Mercury, like accountants, traders, publishers, educators, and IT professionals, may find Wednesday especially lucky for presenting proposals, launching campaigns, or initiating networking efforts, as planet Mercury supports sharp thinking and successful articulation. Now let's see activities to avoid on Wednesday. On the flip side, giving loans or lending money on Wednesday carries a higher risk of delays or non-repayment. Making large charitable donations is also discouraged unless they are for Mercury-related causes like education. Unplanned expenditures should be avoided, as Mercury's impulsive energy may lead to wasteful spending. Astrologers often suggest that if one must make donations or spend money on Wednesday, it should ideally be aligned with Mercury's domain, such as gifting books, stationery, green items, or even supporting local education projects, as these acts strengthen the Mercury's positive influence rather than reduce one's financial reservoir. Now let's see remedies for financial success on Wednesday. To gain financial stability and attract Mercury's blessings, worshipping Sri Vishnu or Bhagwan Sri Ganesh on Wednesday is highly recommended. Donating green items like moong dal, green clothes, or books also strengthens Mercury. Chanting the Budh mantra. Om Brahm Brim Braum Sah Budhaya Namah. This Budh mantra brings clarity and wisdom. Wearing emerald or Panna Ratna is suggested if Mercury is weak in your horoscope. But before wearing any gem, you should consult expert advice. Vedic scholars also advise observing a Budhwar Vrat, Wednesday fast, and reciting the Budh Kavacham from the Navagraha texts for those seeking improvement in business, speech, or decision making related to money. In Vedic astrology, even planting tulsi on a Wednesday is believed to amplify Mercury's sattvic qualities and remove financial obstacles. Wednesday is a powerful day for financial growth due to Mercury's influence. Taking loans on this day aligns with Mercury's energy of quick gains and intelligence, while giving loans may lead to instability. By following these astrological guidelines, one can maximize prosperity and minimize financial risks. Also, checking the placement of Mercury in your individual horoscope, its conjunctions, aspects, and house position can offer personalized insights into how Wednesday will specifically affect your financial endeavors. Those undergoing Mercury Budh Mahadasha or Antardasha in their Vinshottari Dasha cycle will experience amplified results from Wednesday activities, both positive and negative, depending on Mercury's strength. Remember, astrology provides guidance, but wise financial planning and ethical dealings are equally important for long-term wealth.
That is all for today. If you like the video, please hit like button and subscribe to our channel and hit bell icon and share this video with your friends. Stay healthy, stay fit God bless you.